You see, today I have to get underneath my truck hood and fix something in my engine. Something's making a horribly disgusting, ugly noise in here. But I don't want to go under there. It's dark in there. I'm scared of the dark. You see, there's two reasons why I'm scared to work under this hood in the dark. First reason is I don't want to hurt my hands if I can't see what I'm working on. Second reason is you don't know what the hell's under here. You see, there could be squirrels, mice, or even, oh my God, him. But I'll tell you what, if you're a mechanic or anybody that needs to work underneath your car truck hood, don't worry about it anymore, because I got a new Dewalt tool that you're going to love. What's up, everybody? My name is Clint. Welcome to the Tool Review Zone channel. Now, if you're not a subscriber, which I'm sure you are, you know that we bring cool, new, and exciting tools to the channel every single week. So get subscribed, hit that bell notification if you're not already subscribed. Now, again, if you are a subscriber, you know that I have been talking about Dewalt releasing a bunch of new tools, and this is their newest one. And I will tell you straight out, it is extremely real nice like. Now, I know what a lot of you are going to say. Milwaukee already has one, this brand already has one, but it doesn't matter. At least Dewalt is coming out with new tools, and if you are in the Dewalt lineup and a mechanic or somebody that works on your own car or truck, I'm telling you, this is going to change the game for you. All right, so here's the deal. You're working late at night, it's dark in the garage, maybe your lights burn out, and you're not wanting to worry about hurting yourself. You're not wanting to worry about squirrels or chipmunks or him, and you need something to light up. Damn it! Hold on one second, I got to apologize before I finish this video. I've been listening to this from my a-hole neighbors for the last 3 days. You're going to hear it in the videos. It's annoying. Like I was saying, it's very dark in here and I'm worried about getting hurt. So let me show you what this tool does. This, my friends, is the all-new Dewalt Cordless Hood Light. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, big deal, it's a light. What's so cool about that? Well, let me show you. All right, so let me show you. That right there is where your battery placement goes. You're gonna take it, you can just move this out of the way if you want. Take it and just... Now, what's cool about this is you can use your 20 volt. You can use a little baby 12 volt. So cute. Or you can use a big old honking 60 volt sexy flexy. So yeah, all 3 batteries will work on this light. That's definitely not the coolest thing, my friends. So instead of trying to find a place to hang this thing, all I'm gonna do is just open it up, and you can see right here, you can close it down for portability or storage. You open it up like so. Look at it. Look at it. And now all I'm gonna do is take it. You can see I can rotate these if I want. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna hook it on the one side of my hood, stretch it over. Boom! Are you seeing what I'm seeing here? Hold on. Shut up! Where was I? Oh yeah, boom! All right, so on the left side of this, you got your control, so you definitely want to put it up like that. Let me done show you again. You're gonna take it, stretch it out, boom. And now right here, you got your battery, so if you need to change it out, you can do that. You got your power right here and your different modes. Underneath right here, you got 2 different LED light bars. So now let me make it really spooky scary. I'm gonna shut this garage door. I'm gonna show you how dark it is in here with no light at all. Who knows what's gonna jump out in front of me, and we're gonna show you these lights. All right, lights going out. Feeling very vulnerable in here in the dark. All right, here we go. Let's turn this bad boy on. All right, so as you can see, very, very bright. You got lights on both sides here, but check this out. If you want it a little bit dimmer, maybe it hurting your eyeballs or your face, just come over here and push this button, and it'll bring it down. Push it again, it'll shut it off. Let me turn this back on. I'll be right back, hold on. I just gotta get something here. Okay, so I'm back. So here's what we're looking at lumen-wise. You're looking at 1700 lumen on high. Then you're looking at 800 on low. The arm that stretches across here lengthwise between 51 and 74 inches. But that's not all this does. Remember, I had told you there was a mode button right here. So if I push this mode button, did you see what I just seen? Let me do it again. I'm gonna push the mode button. One side goes out. So if I'm only working on this side, I don't need all that light because it hurts my face. I can shut that off. Or if I push it again, I can shut this off, bring it over to the right side so it don't hurt my face over here. If I want to just shut it off or push the button and shut it off. Oh, it's dark. But now say that I'm done working with this, all I gotta do is pull out on that, release it like that. Very simple, it's not heavy at all. Then I just fold it up, damn it! You get out of here! Now what I have been done saying was, if I want to collapse, is just take it, break it down like that, and it locks in. You can see on the one side you have a catch, on the other side you have a tab. And all you do is join them together. It's real nice. Now again, on these arms you can adjust the hook. So if you want to hang this light, you could. You don't need to just use it for your car. You can use this on a lot of different things where you hang this thing up and then just turn that on. And again, you can go on this side, or this side, and then this side, or both sides if you want, or just shut it off if you want. Hell, if I wanted to hang it on my garage door, I could do that if I wanted to too. Now, as far as it goes with the build quality on this, it's pretty damn good. This right here is like a harder but yet softer type of plastic. Something that you would find on your shop lights, you know, like the protective cover to keep the dust out. On the back, this is actually metal, so I'm happy to see that it's not just a plastic. But I definitely think this thing is going to hold up in some tough situations. It's definitely a professional grade tool. I'm really happy with this and I like it. And yes, I know other manufacturers have them, but I'm happy that Dewalt is coming out with new tools. And this is one that the mechanics are absolutely going to love. Now, the model number on this is DCL045. And I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check this thing out. Man, I literally just dropped my 12-volt battery down in the engine. I'm not putting my hands down there. Oh, I guess it's a good thing I got this damn thing. And if you think I'm joking about that, I'm not. It's literally like right down there. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you want to know the run hours on this thing, I'm telling you, you put a battery in there, these LED lights are going to run forever on you. But I want to know what you think. Are you planning on trying these lights? Love hearing your feedback, so leave me a comment in the comment section below. Also, if this video has helped you in any sort of way, please don't forget to smash that like button. I appreciate it. I always appreciate you stopping by. And with that, we'll be back with more videos soon.